Welcome to the Beehive, and you're the bee, so thank you for stopping by, bumblebees, and visiting the Beehives. And we hope we have a good time with this studio. We're gonna do some fun things, so I hope you come and join us. Welcome to the Bumblebee Studio. We're going to be doing some live stream broadcasting, and there's the Bumblebee uniform and helmet up there. And a couple trophies. Main event wins and some championships. So there's a couple steel shoes and a plaque and some Costa Mesa main event trophies. And who's that on the wall? And there's some plaques, point championships, covers, helmets. That's the helmet that I ride right now. And there's the Bumblebee chair that we're going to be sitting in. And here's a point championship trophy, the King of the Hill. One of my big championships years ago. And this is my favorite little guy, my first mini bike trophy. I love this trophy, my favorite. My smallest trophy, but my favorite. And I am exhausted. I have been working on this studio for like days now. It's been a labor of love, and I hope it's looking good. So I've been just busting my buns trying to make this thing happen, and I hope it's looking okay. It's been a lot of work. I got like paint all over my fingers still. It's all over, I think, my face. It's really crazy, but I hope it's gonna be worth it. I'm excited. Like I say, I still have to get some equipment together and things like that. And doing some live streams should be pretty fun. And I'm new to that, so I mean, it's something I've never done before. So it should be pretty exciting, kind of scary, but I want you to ask me questions, you know, like when we start, and interact with me, and, you know, just ask me anything. It's okay, as long as I can read your questions. I wanted to make a place that I could do like live stream events and also do some blogging while, if it's raining or super windy, I need a place to go ahead and do some vlogging. So I went ahead and designed this little studio, and I hope it's okay. And we're gonna do some live stream, hopefully do some interviews, and do some really fun stuff. And hopefully I won't bore you. I know live stream, I have to try to entertain you while I'm doing this, so it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to it, and just working on getting the equipment ready and everything. It's really a lot of work. I look haggard, like, and I am haggard. I'm busting my buns. I'm pretty much doing it alone, so I went ahead and worked on this day and night, night and day, and finally got it done. Some things together here. We got the beehive together. And thank you so much for visiting us, you bumblebees. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some live broadcast in the future, and we're gonna have some fun times. So please come and join us. We got some more videos here if you're interested in checking out videos of me racing. How about that? You wanna watch me race right here? I was a little bit good in my day, but not that good. So anyways, thank you so much for joining us at the Beehive. Thank you, bees. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. So please like, share, subscribe, and always ring that bell.